everyone, welcome back to the La La Land Crafts YouTube channel. Today is day 17 of our 18 days of tutorials. If you're just now joining in, please make sure that you watch all of the videos from the last 16 days. They're a lot of fun, a lot of great projects and ideas. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment on the videos for a chance to win one of 3 gift certificates to our online store. It's a $50 gift certificate. We also have our design team joining, and on our blog you'll find their projects from the last 17 days. Please comment on those as well, and that will give you another entry into the giveaway. A few days ago I asked on the video for the suggestions of what you would like to see in our videos, in our video series, and one of the suggestions was for the gift wrapping or the gift boxes or gift bags. So this is what we're doing today. We are making this gift bag using our papers, stamps, and dies. Okay, let's start with the tutorial. This is seriously the easiest way to create cute, adorable packaging for small gifts. I am starting with the lunch bag, and I cut it at 6.5. I'll list all of the measurements on the video description below. So this gives me, it's actually kind of even hard to position it under the camera because my camera is kind of low, but it is pretty big. It's the bottom is 4 inches wide, so as you can see it will give you plenty of space to put any of the goodies. This will be great for if you're giving baked goodies like cookies for Christmas. That would be amazing, or any smaller or medium-sized gifts that fit in this bag that we're going to create. I cut white cardstock layers at 6.25 by 5 3/4. You'll just have to measure your paper bag because you might find different size, so you just have to figure out what it is. Mine is just 1/4 inch smaller than the width of the bag. And let me show you, this is what I have here. This is the lunch bags. It's a huge pack of 50, so you can easily make so many at the same time. Then I'm using papers. These gorgeous papers are from the Little Merry Christmas paper pack. I'll flip it quick for you so you can see the designs. They're bright and fun. This is the one that I'm using. There also, this tree is the same design on the white background that looks really cool. And of course our papers are double-sided, so I'll flip to the other side and show you the design on the other side. The colors are red and also kind of pinkish color, coral color included here. If you're making more of the modern or more of the classic look, you can mix and match. So I cut my papers to layer onto the white, so there are 6. The papers are 6 by 6, so I left it at 6 and then I cut it at 5.5 here. But as I said, you'll just have to measure and see what your paper bag size is and then adjust accordingly. And this made our bag so much sturdier. If you would like to, you can even cut a piece of the cardstock and put it inside to make the bottom sturdier as well, or you can just leave it like so. Now for the closure part, this is the most interesting part of this bag. This is what makes it so much fun. I die cut the largest one of the large stitch tags. This is the largest size, and then I scored it at 2 inches and 2 1/8. And this little spine here that we're creating, just 1/8 of an inch, you can kind of roll it over. This is what will make the tags stay down. If we have only one fold, it kind of wants to lift. So I figured this way it actually stays down and looks neater. So just a little tip for you. Then I have 2 circles die cut, and these are from our double stitched nested circles is the smaller one, and the larger one is from the stitched nested circles, and they nest like this together. The paper, this paper is from the same paper pack from the Little Merry Christmas. Then I have the star wreath, and this die comes with 2. I'm using the largest one of 2. Then I have the stitched, what are these called? I forgot what they're called, but I'll put it in the video description below, the name and the link to this. So this set comes with 3 little flags, and I'm using 2 of them, and I'm actually going to glue the smaller one on the back like so, and this creates kind of an effect of the ribbon. Well, at least it looks like it to me. I'm going to go ahead and start assembling this. Now I have my tree. This is Christmas tree. This is one of our older dies, and I die cut it from this pretty text paper, and this paper is actually from a different paper pack, one of our paper packs, and it's called Christmas Hodgepodge. I'll put the link for you as well. And I just love how this looks. It's just so pretty. I love the text on the die cuts. I'm going to see how I want to align so my stars are showing. Probably right here. And my little mouse friend is back. I just can't get enough of this stamp set. He's just too cute, and I know I'll be using him for years to come. He's just way too cute. And you've probably seen this already, but I'll show you again. He is from this set called A Carol in We Go. So he comes with other friends and with a lot of sentiments here. I'm going to go ahead and attach the tree and put my little mouse onto this little scene we're creating. And now this whole embellishment is going to go on to the front part, or on the bottom. It's actually, well, the top, but in this case, in this design, it's the bottom. And these circles kind of align with the rounded bottom right there, like this. Isn't this just adorable? I'm just in love with this. Then for the back, I'm going to add a detail here as well. I have this little label is actually from the pocket die. It's one of the labels from there, and then I cut brown cardstock to layer it. I'm going to use Christmas postcard background stamp, and I'm going to use a few things from here. I'm going to grab the postage mark, the postmark, and I'm going to stamp it first in brown ink. I'm using archival ink. I want this to be pretty light, so I'm going to stamp it off first and then stamp it on my layer. And this gives me second generation, so it looks a little faded. You can see the difference here from the first and the second one. And the reason I want it to be faded because I want to stamp the sentiment over it, and the sentiment is from the same set. It's do not open until December 25th. I think that's kind of cute to go onto the gift bag. And I'm using archival ink in jet black. Isn't this cute? So you can still see the postage mark, the postmark behind it, and then the sentiment still stands out. Of course, you can also use this spot to write to and from. That would be the good place for that. Okay, so now we're ready to attach our topper to our gift bag. I'm going to line it up so the bottom score line goes above the top of the bag, about 1/8 of an inch, and then center this right and left. And our bag is completed. Isn't this a fun project? And it's so quick to do, using a lunch bag for the base of our gift bag. These bags also come, you might find it in white, so you can do it in different colors. You can use this idea to make gift bags for different occasions, for Christmas, as we did here. You can do it for Halloween, you can do it for birthdays, you can do it for whatever it fits the occasion. You can find the smaller bags also, and this will still fit on the smaller bag as well. And of course there are smaller sizes of the tags in the set, so you can work with that. I hope you like the tutorial. I hope you like this idea. And this is all from me for today. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you soon for day 18. Bye for now.